Welcome, this is Gauri Gopnath for NE24. On Wednesday, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma inaugurated the ambitious Nijut Moina 2.0 project implemented by the government of Assam to promote higher education opportunities for female students studying in higher secondary schools and colleges across the state. He also formally handed over the Nijut Moina certificates to the students. In line with similar programs held in other colleges of the state, Radha Madhav College, Silchar organized a live telecast of the Chief Minister's inaugural event. The program held at the college auditorium under the guidance of acting principal Dr. Arundhati Datta Chaudhary was graced by chief guest Amarendra Pal, advocate and representative of the Silchar MP, along with Kachar District Deputy Inspector of Schools Iqbal Hussain Barbuia, Principal Dr. Arundhati Datta Chaudhary and others. They distributed the Nijut Moina certificates to higher secondary and undergraduate female students. The event was conducted by Dr. Swarnali Roy Chaudhary, the nodal teacher for the Nijut Moina project at Radha Madhav College. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and follow us on our Facebook page.